What's the meaning of cautionary? Cautionary. Cautionary.
Cautionary. Cautionary. Cautionary is an adjective that describes actions or statements taken as a warning to prevent possible danger or failure. It is often used to describe something that serves as a caution or reminder of a potential risk. Cautionary tales, for example, aim to teach a lesson by recounting the consequences of poor choices or actions. In general, cautionary helps to emphasize the importance of being careful and prudent in order to avoid negative outcomes, whether they be physical, financial, or social.